Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's video, we will be discussing pattern and distribution of topic for IBPS Clerk Prelims exam. As you know, the notification is out for this year, that is 2020. So you can focus on your strength and weaknesses and build up them. So for that, let's discuss what is the pattern and distribution of topics for this exam. So first of all, we will be looking at the exam pattern for prelims. So as you know, there are three subjects: reasoning, quants and English language. In reasoning and quants you have 35 questions each, and in English you have 30 questions. So each question carries 1 marks. So the maximum marks for reasoning will be 35, quants will be 35 and English will be 30. Remember, the total time allotted is 60 minutes, but you get sectional time. That is, for reasoning you get 20 minutes, for quants you get 20 minutes, and for English language you get 20 minutes. That means, what is sectional time? That means you need to do your English in 20 minutes. What if you finished it fast, like you completed your English section in 15 minutes, you have 5 minutes more. So you can't switch section in this. You can't save this 5 minutes and take it to quant section. That is not allowed. It is, you get exactly 20 minutes for reasoning, exactly 20 minutes for quants and exactly 20 minutes for English. So the total time allotted is 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. So the total, you get 100 questions containing 100 marks and the time allotted is 60 minutes. So for every correct answer you get 1 marks, as I have already said. And what if you got it wrong? So for every wrong answer, 1/4 is deducted of the marks, that is 0.25 will be deducted. And if you have not attempted any question, don't worry, there is no negative marking for unattempted question. We Crack You provide all the previous year paper for all the IBPS exams like IBPS PO, Clerk, RRB, SO and etc. with detailed solution. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You IBPS previous year paper, click on the first link and access the PDF of the paper. So after the exam pattern, let's see the topic distribution for reasoning. As you know, reasoning have 35 questions carrying 35 marks. What are the important topic? Let's see. You get puzzle. There are 2 to 3 puzzle. So remember, each puzzle has 5 questions. So if there are 5 questions in each puzzle, so from puzzles we get nearly 10 to 15 questions. They are easy type and sometimes moderate. They have at least 2 variable. So you can practice them from now so that you can build up your speed. What type of puzzle you get? They are linear sitting arrangement, circular sitting arrangement, month and date based, floor based and square sitting arrangement. These type of puzzles you have. Other is inequalities. So you get 2 to 5 questions from inequalities. They are easy type. Next is coding and decoding. You get 1 set of coding decoding and that contains 5 questions. You have questions from blood relation and direction sense. There are 2 to 3 in number. From syllogism you have 5 questions and from miscellaneous you have 5 to 10 questions. So what is miscellaneous in reasoning? So under miscellaneous topics of reasoning we have alphanumerical series, order and ranking and even word formation and these type of question. So after reasoning, let's see some important topic in quants. So even in quants we have 35 questions carrying 35 marks and the important topic. First is DI. You definitely get 1 set of DI and this 1 set contains 5 questions. So you have 5 questions from DI, and what type of data interpretation? That can be table, missing type, bar graph, pie chart, Cassler type and etc. Other is number series. So in number series you can have missing number series or wrong number series and the number of questions from them is 5 questions. So it is either you get missing number series or wrong number series. The total question is 5 questions from this topic. Other is simplification and approximation. So this approximation is find the missing value or wrong value and you have 10 questions from them. They are easy and scoring. Next is quadratic equations. You get 5 questions from them. Even these are easy and scoring. and there are 10 questions from miscellaneous of quant. So what is miscellaneous in quant? They are questions from time and work, profit and loss, mensuration, speed and distance, permutation and combination, and other. And these are easy type and it's easy to moderate actually. So it's scoring after quantitative aptitude. Let's see in English. So in English you get reading comprehension, that is must. There is one RC and it contains 7 to 10 questions. You have cloze test, and if you get cloze test, it contains 5 questions, that is 0 to 5, and if you don't have a cloze test, then obviously you get 0 question from them, but basically you get 5 questions from cloze test. The other is Parajumble, you get 5 questions from them. Fill in the blanks, you get 0 to 8 questions. So what is 0 to 8 questions and what type of fill in the blank? So it can be single filler, double filler or triple filler. So you have 0 to 8 questions from them. After that comes error detection. Error detection you get 5 questions, and miscellaneous you have 5 to 10 questions. What is miscellaneous under the topic? English language. So they are spelling mistake type, sentence connector, synonym, antonym, idioms, phrases, and etc. So these are missed questions from English language. So with this, all the best. Keep practicing, give as many as mocks possible. Even fill up the form first, don't wait for the last date, and keep watching our channel. We will be updating you with all the latest information of banking and SSC exams. Till then, hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also provide all the previous year paper of SSC exams and even mock test for SSC and IBPS exam. For that you only need to Google search CrackU IBPS clerk free mock, and even you can download our app. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.